What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? YouTube trolls, YouTube hoes. What's up? Okay, so this is about to be just a real quick PSA, public service announcement. Gonna save y'all some coins, okay? So that way y'all don't be like, oh my God, I don't want to spend $10. Oh my God, I don't want to spend $20 for a can of hairspray. So y'all know me, if y'all been rocking with me for years, okay? Like when I say years, like years, hunties, then y'all know that this hairspray is my number one uno, okay? Number one, only one that I use. Like there's no other, nothing like this one. Okay, I have used this in my videos countless times. I even got cans in the mail shipped to my post office box from my divas and divos because they know how much I love this, the AUSSIE Instant Freeze Hairspray. So it did change a little bit. The can is a little bit different. It's a little bit more bluer, but girl, let me tell y'all, this stuff will definitely freeze your hairstyle. Like, okay, it may make it a little bit hard, but your hairstyle, your curls will hold forever. But if you want a good lace wig application hairspray, this is it. Now, I bought 3 cans from Amazon for $10, maybe a little bit over 10, but 3 cans, okay? You can get this at Walmart, you can get this at Target's, CVS, Walgreens, you can get this basically anywhere. Very affordable. There is another can that I also use, which is the AUSSIE Volumizer, if you want more volume to your hair, but it's not going to hold like this. This gives you a 24-hour hold, which is a lie because it gives you more than 24 hours, but this is so, this hairspray you can definitely depend on. It always comes through for hairstyles and lace wig application. No flakiness, no none of that. So, as you guys can tell, I got on a wig, girl, my favorite RPG show wig. And look, okay, this sucker is on. When I tell you it's on, it's on. No heat was applied to dry it. I just took the ends of my rat tail comb, a little bit here, let it dry, a little bit here. I put 2 layers on underneath and let it get tacky, and then I apply my wig. So, I will have videos using this hairspray, excuse me, as my application hairspray, but you know what, just a quick public service announcement so that way y'all know what I've been using for years, been rocking with for years, is the AUSSIE Instant Freeze. So if somebody try to come up on here and try to tell y'all that they just discovered it and blah blah blah, y'all can look back and y'all know that no. Okay, I could even look. Y'all know what time it is. So public service announcement for those wig wearers and who want to use like a really good hairspray that is affordable, everyday hairspray. Girl, get this. I never was like the hugest fan of the Got to Be freeze spray. Is that what it's called? To me, it just never worked, and it definitely never worked for holding curls. I've used that hairspray like 15 years ago, not for wig application, but just to hold my curls, and it never really worked. But this stuff is like a blessing. Like I'm telling you, AUSSIE, this is like gold in a can, straight up. So on that note, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I got to get ready to do my live, but I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.